no dip whatsoever. That I definitely felt. I kind of put a little extra on that one. Get that little bit of front sway, right? Especially, at least to me, with a Cummins, right? That is a heavy motor. So when you stop, you're gonna get that little bit of nose dip. And we didn't, the truck literally stayed perfectly flat. Stopping with that much weight, it's never gonna just stop. But there was nothing. Like, it just stopped straight. Everything stayed consistent. No dip, no nothing. It's impressive. I can't feel the jarring. I don't feel anything from the trailer to the truck. Usually you'll feel that transfer from trailer to truck. There's nothing. Makes me feel more confident in making a 3,000 mile round trip with that truck on the trailer for sure.